Today we are preparing teriyaki grilled chicken. So the first step is we'll preheat the oven on 15 minutes on grill mode at 200 degrees Celsius. Marinate it with the teriyaki sauce. 1 cup of soya sauce, half cup of brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, garlic powder, chili flakes, some dried ginger, some freshly ground half teaspoon black pepper, some honey. Give this a good mix, give it a good massage. You can add sesame oil also if you want. After mixing, I'm adding chopped ginger and garlic. Give this a good mix now. Now let this sit for around 4 to 6 hours. Now I'll be grilling this for around 30 minutes. Now with the leftover marinade, we are just going to prepare a sauce to coat it. Now we'll add a corn flour slurry to make it into a thick sauce. Now we'll switch off. So we got like a thick sauce with us. Now the chicken is grilled. We're removing it on this. The teriyaki chicken is almost ready. Now I'm just going to toss it in this thick sauce before serving. So delicious. You won't stop at one.